Hey, Morgan. Good to see you in class again. Your post was very thorough and informative. And what stuck out to me as well as it did to you was the staggering fact of the number of people, a number of jobs that are open to people that have less than a college degree, but require some digital literacy. I found that quite telling and frankly quite alarming. It's a great way to, as the article said, a great way to climb up and get better economic status, make a better life for yourself. And I thought that was quite telling that there was that many jobs available. But then you look at it, there may be instances where these people don't have any digital literacy because they don't have access to any technology. A lot of kids, when they go home from school, they don't have the internet or anything. So I can see where it could be a problem, but I think it's something we need to work on. College degree doesn't mean that you're going to get a better paying job. There's an awful lot of college graduates, that hold bachelor's or master's degrees that are unemployed or working at jobs that are paying $30,000, $40,000, where you get someone that comes out of a tech school or someplace like ITT Tech, and they get a certificate, and they're working as an IT professional, making $50,000, $60,000 a year. So I think it's important that we close the digital divide and help adults get some of these tech jobs. Teaching digital literacy is great. We need to teach the students. We need to teach them how to use it, how to find out what is good information, what's bad information. Basically interpret what they find. Not only teach them how to find it, but interpret whether or not it's good information. But I think what's more important is digital citizenship. And that's teaching them to use the technology appropriately and in a manner that's for good, and not to basically be a hoodlum online and harass people. Things like as simple as you don't text in all caps. That means you're yelling at somebody. That's if you don't do that, that's being a good citizen. So I think technology is important, and being literate and being a good citizen goes hand in hand. EdSurge, I found a good article that it was a study done by a university in England, and basically what it said was if you're rolling out a new device, you got to get your students to buy in on it. Because if they don't buy in on it, they're not going to use it. They're not going to be interested. They're not going to use it. And when you try to get them to use it, it's just going to make it that much harder to get them to use it, and it's going to slow learning down. So I thought that was interesting, that you got to have engagement between the teacher and the students have to buy in on it. So I thought that was a pretty interesting article on EdSurge. I look forward to being in class with you. Again, your post was very informative, and I look forward to hearing more as we progress toward our final project. I think it's going to be a challenging 5 weeks, but I think it's going to be an enriching 5 weeks. So I look forward to hearing what you have to say in the next 5 weeks. Thanks. Have a great day.